Ever stared at a plant label, utterly baffled by bright indirect light? You're not alone. This confusion often leads to struggling plants, and it all comes down to light. Light is the master key to keeping indoor plants not just alive, but thriving. No botany degree needed. Let's decode these terms simply, right now. Low light, medium light, bright indirect light, direct sun. These aren't just words. They're precise instructions for light intensity. Let's translate them into your home. Low light means areas far from windows or rooms with only gentle north-facing light. There's enough light to read, but no direct sun. Perfect for snake plant, ZZ plant, pothos. Remember, low light is not darkness. Medium light is found near east-facing windows or in bright rooms without direct sun. It's a steady, nurturing light for many houseplants like philodendrons, ficus, and Dieffenbachia. Bright indirect light is the holy grail for most plants. Bright light, but artfully filtered. Imagine a sunny window softened by a sheer curtain. No harsh, leaf-scorching rays. Ideal for monstera, fiddle leaf fig, and countless succulents. Direct sun means actual, unfiltered sunlight pouring onto leaves, usually near south or west-facing windows. This intense light is perfect for desert plants like cacti, sun-loving succulents, and citrus. Signs your plant needs more light. Your plant sends distress signals. Long, stretched stems, etiolation, leaning toward the window. Small, pale new leaves, faded color, halted growth. Dropping lower leaves. If you see these, your plant needs more light. No expensive gear needed. Use a free phone light meter app. Perform the ancient shadow test. Sharp, defined shadow, or bright light. Soft, fuzzy shadow, or medium light. No visible shadow. Low light. Simple, yet effective. Armed with this knowledge, plant care transforms from guesswork into success. Stop guessing. Start understanding. Place your plants exactly where they'll not just survive, but truly flourish. Follow for more simple secrets to unlocking your plant's full potential.